Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Did you wake up to this rainfall today? This video was taken near Day Camp Coffee off of East 20th Street in Chico, and you can see the raindrops just soaking the pavement right there.
I have to say I was surprised, and I watch Court in the mornings. I listen to Jason every night, of course, but still it was stunning after what we experienced last week, Jason. There's just no getting used to it.
Yeah, we got to thank what was Hurricane K, bringing some clouds our direction, a trough that I was talking about last week, also pushing over Northern California, just enough to bring a little bit of rain. Most locations received, unfortunately, less than a tenth, just a few hundredths of an inch here and there, but every drop is welcome, especially when it means we aren't 105 to 115 degrees. These temperatures are a lot easier to take, slightly below average right now, although today's high in Redding was 95, which is still 1 degree warmer than average despite all the change. It's 91 degrees there, as well as in Red Bluff, cooler 82 at the airport in Chico, and a comfortable 75 degrees in Chester, where we still have the clouds and light rain showers, even some thunderstorms. It's a lot cooler than 24 hours ago, between 5 and 14 degrees, but when we have a little bit more sunshine, northern part of the valley, between 1 and 3 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. Still more active weather for our eastern counties. Also in the far south, plenty of clouds over Chico with some light showers pushing toward Durham. The southeast side of Chico will have the best chance for at least a little bit of rain, but again, won't be much more than we had earlier today. Far more active over northwestern Lassen County with areas of rain and still some lightning strikes with those thunderstorms. We don't like seeing that when everything else is so bone dry, but we will take the cool down and we'll take the rain as well. Looking at our futurecast, we're going to have fewer and fewer rain showers, especially after 11 o'clock tonight. More sunshine tomorrow, and although it's going to be hazy in the morning, we'll have a little bit less haze by the afternoon. Plenty of sunshine and slightly warmer for many of us tomorrow afternoon. Wednesday, more clouds are going to try to creep into our area, both from the west and from the south. Be nice to have some clouds in the early morning. We'll have a partly cloudy and cooler day on Wednesday with more sunshine coming our way Thursday and Friday. But the good news I can share with you, we are not going to be nearly as hot as we have been for the last several weeks going forward, especially this coming weekend. A deeper trough of low pressure moves over Oregon and Northern California. It's going to further cool our temperatures. It'll bring a chance for some wet weather as we move into Saturday, Sunday, and early Monday. Don't expect a lot, but coming up later in our broadcast, I'll show you the amounts of rain that a couple of our different forecast models want to bring our way. So as far as your yard work forecast, looking pretty good. You don't have to worry about overheating, although it's still going to be pretty warm. Not nearly as hot as it's been the last several weeks. Here's your forecast for tomorrow for the Northwest, expecting a mostly sunny and hazy day, but comfortable temperatures compared to the last week or so. Daytime highs will be in the 80s in Trinity and Siskiyou counties, upper 70s and lower 80s for northeastern California. Still smoky, unfortunately, but a lot of that smoke by tomorrow night will start pushing into far western Nevada. For the ridge, we'll also have fewer clouds by tomorrow morning. Lows more comfortable, 50s and lower 60s for lows, highs mainly in the 70s, with Paradise still getting up to 80 degrees tomorrow afternoon. For the valley, also a pretty nice night, much more comfortable. Instead of having lows in the 70s and 80s, expecting mainly 60s for lows, highs in the mid to upper 80s tomorrow afternoon. And for Glen Butte counties, we'll have fewer clouds tonight, lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the mid to upper 80s tomorrow afternoon. And the next 7 days look awfully nice as well. For Chico, expecting highs mainly in the 80s, 77 degrees for a high with a chance for showers on Sunday. And for the Redding area, also mainly 80s going forward. And the good thing you'll notice, no 90s or triple digits.